Hello viewers, welcome back to another review. This time we have the LG UltraGear monitor. The model is 27GN750. This is one of the best 27-inch gaming monitors available in the market. Without wasting time, let's quickly unbox and take a look at the monitor and its features. We are given the cables here. We have HDMI and a few other cables along with the power adapter. There are also two pieces of the stand to be assembled. We'll do that now. And just below this is the monitor. We'll quickly assemble this and take a look at it. There are these three pieces for the monitor stand. There is a screw here. It goes like this. We have to tighten the screw. I'm just showing how it fits. There is also a small piece for the cable management. This simply goes and fixes like this. Now let's take a look at the monitor. So this is how the monitor screen looks. Three-sided narrow bezel. We'll take a look at the back. We'll now fix this monitor with the stand and take a look at the ports. Let's fix the monitor now. That's it. Once you have fixed the monitor, you can adjust the position of the monitor. You can just press the monitor to adjust the height and again pull it up if you want it at a slightly higher position. You also have the pivot feature using which you can turn the monitor like this. Let's take a look at the ports which are at the back of the monitor. You can see two HDMI ports here. There is also a display in port which you can use for connecting to your laptops or desktops. There is also a data cable port for data cable and two USB 3.0 ports, and then you have a slot for connecting your headphones, and the last one is for the power adapter. The monitor is all set. I have connected the Xbox to the monitor, and since the monitor does not have a built-in speaker, I have also connected the Bose Revolve. Now let's take a look at a movie and we'll also take a look at a couple of gameplays.